Morning everybody. It is about 5 to 11 on the 24th of June 2019. I'm back in Just Jane again, chasing a problem with the flap circuits. The indicator is showing all the way down, but it doesn't go back up. Well, it does, but it goes up to about 15 and it should go up to the up mark. So I'll just show you what I mean. And so if you bear with me, I'll be right back. Right, we're kicking off. Okay, so this is the indicator I'm talking about, this one here. Ignore that because the power's off at the moment, so it's just gone to a default position. When the flaps are down, it's showing 40, and then as it comes up, you might have seen it on a video I did the other day. It'll come up to 20 and it'll start to stick there and get to 15 and won't go any further. Now, I've looked at the diagrams and it's not showing any symptoms of cross wiring or anything like that, or a line down. So I'm hoping it's the fact that this meter's sticking. It's either that or the transmitter isn't travelling to its full extent. So this is the easiest one to get to. So I'm going to whip up the back of the panel there, and we're going to see what we can see. So I'll be back uno momento, as it were. Right, so we have all the tools. I have a Desynn transmitter there, wired up, ready to go. And where we're going is, you can just see, that's it there. These are the signal wires. That is live and neutral. So these are the signal wires. So these have got to come off, and I need to wire my my transmitter into there. Just on those 3 lines. I don't need any more. So yeah, so as you can see, it's a bit of a tight fit because there's the control column tube, and I've not got a lot of room to get in there. It's going to be very tight, and yeah, a bit of an awkward job. But anyway, we'll see how we go. I'll get it wired in, get this tight wire isolated and tucked out of the way, and then we'll pop some power on, and we'll see what we get. It should be interesting to see whether this is, because this is the only bit I haven't actually tested. I buzzed the wires out previously last year, so they're okay. I personally tested and wired in the transmitter, so I know that's okay. This is the only thing I haven't looked at. This was in situ, and a colleague of mine did the wiring, but it looks like the wiring's fine. I think it's either this is sticking or the transmitter's not moving the full Monty, as it were. Anyway, without further ado, I'll crack on with this, and I'll be back shortly. We're all wired up now. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, we can look at that gauge there. So now I've got to get this in a place where we can actually see what's going on. So just bear with me a minute. See if I can. Oh, can you see the flap gauge there? Right, we turn it on. Right, and I'm going to fiddle with this. I'm going to turn the Desynn, and don't worry about the indications. What I'm looking for is a 360-degree rotation, and we get it, and it's not twitching around there. So the indicator is actually serviceable. So my take on this is that the adjustment on the flap itself, I'll just turn that off. The adjustment on the flap itself needs sorting. Oh, let's get that back off there now. So yeah, so the adjustment on the flap itself needs sorting. That's going to be a long old job, because there are no instructions for it. I think it just says adjust as necessary, so it's going to be a suck it and see job, that. So right, so I shall go back. I shall go back down here, and we'll turn the power off, which is in there. Okay. Voltmeter is now reading 0. So it's safe for me to go back down the hole, disconnect that, and write up what I've done. So yeah, so at least we know the indicator's serviceable. Right, catch you guys later. Okie dokie, power's back on. We've got 24 volts at the meter, which is looking good. Bring that one down there. That should read 40 if we're okay. Yes, that's right. So that's as it was then. So on to the next problem. So I've now got to investigate. I know it's not a wiring problem from the Desynn, and I know the Desynn should be serviceable because that was tested before it went in, and it's not showing a Desynn open line or short line snag. It's looking more like lack of movement or maybe restricted movement in the mechanical setup in the flap. So I need to think about this, and then we'll come back to this another day. So yeah, thanks for watching, and from a very humid and sweaty day here at East Kirkby, I'll bid you guys a bit of Merlin 24 goodness. I'll say goodbye for now, and we'll no doubt see you all again at some point later. Bye for now.